Okay, so there are basically three different ways you can create ads on Facebook. The first way is probably one you've seen before. That's just a regular old boosted post. And a boosted post is okay if you're in a rush and you just want to experiment with something. But if you really want to get the best return on your money that you're investing, then you want to go with some of the latter options, which I'll talk about in the next video. But I wanted to show you this just because some people are very technically challenged and they just want something simple, even if it doesn't give them the best results possible. So I'll show you that right here. So this is obviously where you create a post. So you can boost pretty much any post on Facebook. So we'll just write Brandon here, who wants to work with me, comment yes below, whatever. So then you go to boost post. When you click boost here, it doesn't give you very many options is the problem with this. So your targeting isn't that complete, the objectives aren't really clear. So if you look here, I have a bunch of different audiences that are predefined. But for you, you would say edit and people you choose through targeting. So say for instance, if you want other women who are between 22 and 35, whatever it is, the trick with targeting is you want your ad to match up as closely as possible with whatever target you choose. So if your ad speaks to, let's say, Michigan moms, then you want to make sure that you choose Michigan moms. So right here we have women 22 to 35, Michigan. And you can actually go in the demographics here, and Facebook will let you choose, let's see, you can say moms. You can also say, you'll notice here there's corporate moms, stay-at-home moms, soccer moms. So there's some of the ones that I've targeted in the past are like new moms, moms of preschool kids. So you can find, mothers who are stuck at home and have a little bit of free time where they can work on social media, that kind of thing. But you'll see here's fit moms. You have 58,000. I would say to shoot for anywhere between an audience size of about 50,000 to maybe 200,000. It really depends on your budget. But if it's smaller than that, you'll go through it really quickly. And if it's bigger than that, it's probably not targeted quite well enough. So let's just leave it at that for now. I will show you here too, if you want to narrow the audience further. So maybe your story is you have an autistic child, or your kids are in gymnastics, or whatever it might be. So you could say autism here. Choose autism awareness, and they're a fit mom. So then in your ad, you would say something like, I'm a mom who loves fitness. I have a special, and I have an autistic daughter who's 4 years old, and she's my wife, whatever it is, so that people can identify with your story, and you'll get a really good return on your investment for that. You can also, if you want, go to exclude. What I like to do is exclude. A lot of times it works global, so that way you don't get other distributors who are, seeing your ads, seeing what you're doing, and they also can poach all your potential leads and customers and stuff. So it does look like Facebook has expanded the options that are in the regular boost in this particular format, so this wouldn't be terribly bad. I think maybe I'll have to check on mobile, but maybe it's just mobile now that's reduced, where it will only let you choose a couple different options. So they're saying this is too specific, so I'll just get rid of this for now. And click save. And then you really want to choose, now when it comes to your budget, Facebook's extremely good at finding the people who are going to be most interested and most likely to click on your advertisement and displaying the ad only to them. But if you do a total budget, it knows that that's the most you're going to spend, so it's going to slowly wait until those people are online, until they're in a likely click scenario, and then it's only going to show your ads to those people over the course of time with your total budget, depending on how long your duration is set for. If you want to, you can also choose your own budget, and you can do a daily budget, and you'll go through a little bit more money that way, and your ROI won't be quite as good. But so anyway, I would recommend doing a total budget, maybe do 7 days, whatever you can afford. I usually tell people that if you do $30 for 30 days, so just $1 a day, which is the absolute minimum that Facebook will allow, you'll still get leads from that. You'll still get good interaction. You'll get people commenting, people liking, that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's all there is to it for a regular boosted post. And I will So once you submit this, it will usually take, if it's a brand new account and this is your first ad, it might take a couple days even for your ad to be approved or disapproved. It's completely subjective. Sometimes you'll get a Facebook rep who just starts rejecting all your stuff and it seems like for no reason, and other times you'll just always get approved instantly. So you want to make sure that you're not making too many claims in your ad, and I'll go into that in another video here where I give you some copywriting tips. But for this, that should get you going and give you just, I guess, a basic understanding of how this works. So that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video.